Hello, and welcome to another All About Doors and Windows feature presentation. So today, we'll be learning how to replace a slide or snap-in window tilt latch. The only tools you'll need for this are a hammer and a flathead screwdriver. Step 1 is going to be to remove the old tilt latch. You'll need to open and tilt the window, then take your flathead screwdriver and push at the end of the tilt latch. You may need to use your hammer to force it out if it's stuck. Next, you're going to want to measure your old latch to make sure you get the correct replacement. For a slide and tilt latch, it is important to measure the length, width, and depth to make sure the replacement will fit the plug correctly. Once you have all these measurements, it is time to select and install the new latch. If you have measured everything correctly, the new latch should simply slide right into place. And hey, if you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe. All products shown in this video can be found on our website and down in the description. Thank you for watching and have a great day.